Has Toyota made a big mistake in only offering this Yaris GR in just 3 colours, white, red and black? Well, the owner of this one didn't want to, with a standout car like this, blend in with everybody else that has a Yaris GR. He wanted something that was loud and leery, and we've chosen with him a brand new film from Hexis, Glitter Yellow Matte. This GR is the Circuit Edition. It's got the bright red calipers, which are really going to stand out against the yellow bodywork once the wrap's complete. It's 1.6 petrol and it's kicking out 257 brake horsepower. Not only does this car have 4-wheel drive, but it also has sport, track and a normal mode. It changes the ratio of power to the front wheels and the back wheels. Watch to the end of the video to see the complete transformation from white to glitter yellow matte.
We like to wrap cars to be able to offer our customers something different, something you can't get off the shelf. Above all, even though it was done quickly, the quality is still excellent, which I think is even more important. If you painted your Yaris GR a non-standard colour, it would probably affect the value of the car. The wrap, if anything, enhances the value of the car. First of all, it's different and unique, but the secondary thing is the wrap can be removed and the car is as good as new, if not better than new. The big deal is it's a very bespoke product. It's a high performance hatchback, the likes that haven't been done for years. Probably the last vehicle as bespoke as this was the V6 Clio, which became a classic as soon as it was new. The yellow is just to be different. It's a colour that jumps out at you. Cameron from Complete Graphics recommended it. He said it's a new colour, and it's something that's not available on a Yaris GR, so we want to be different and have a car that people see and spot and get noticed in it. The Yaris GR only comes in 2 whites, red and black, so it doesn't give any additional choice for people who want something a bit different. I think that leaves a big gap in the market for wrapping companies like Complete Graphics to be able to offer their customers something different. Pleased with how quickly it's been done, and the fact we didn't have to wait too long from booking to getting it in, so that was really good for us.